A promise expresses intention, while a commitment reflects sustained action. Nothing built with patience is wasted. Today, we are talking about commitment versus promise. A promise is a statement that expresses an intention to do something. A commitment is a sustained obligation to carry out an action or course of conduct. A promise focuses on what is said. A commitment focuses on what is maintained over time. Promises may or may not be formally binding. Commitments are often reinforced by role, agreement, or expectation. For example, telling someone I will complete this task is a promise. Continuing to take responsibility for completing it over time reflects a commitment. That is the distinction.